Have you ever wondered how much energy your body wastes every single day just to maintain a loop of fear, pain, or scarcity that doesn't even belong to you anymore? You've spent your life believing you are the result of your circumstances. But today, from Frequency 10D, we are here to tell you the truth. You are not the symptom, you are the consciousness observing it. Your body never fails. It is a flawless executor, currently operating under obsolete instructions, wasting your vitality to protect you from ghosts of the past. Welcome to the end of your biological amnesia. It is time to stop being a confused passenger and start becoming the architect of your reality. Block 1. The Root. Epigenetics has revealed that we are a synthesis of survival memories. Your DNA is a historical record, storing the wars, the famines, and the silences of your ancestors to protect you from a world that no longer exists. That anxiety is not yours. It is the alert system of a war that ended decades ago. That thyroid condition is the silent software of those who couldn't speak to survive. At Frequency 10D, we understand these are not defects, they are error codes. We are not looking to cure you, we are looking to dismantle the instructions you no longer need to restore your biological sovereignty. Block 2. The physics of command. Quantum physics is absolute. Energy follows focus. Where you put your attention, you put your biology. Trauma is not a punishment. It is the sacred contrast that shows you what no longer works in your life, so that you can choose, by your own will, a new path. By integrating universal laws, you understand that love and abundance are not found outside. They are tuned in from within. Your physical reality is the mirror. If you want to change the image, you must change the frequency of the signal. Block 3. Factory settings. The natural state of your being is total harmony. It is your factory setting. Have you forgotten how that feels? To inhabit a body that regenerates health automatically while you rest. To feel a deep joy just by breathing, free from the need for external approval. To act with a mental clarity that turns every challenge into a field for proactive design. This is not a miracle. This is applied bioengineering. Block 4. 10D technology. We know that old neural connections are stubborn and they resist change, protecting the familiar even when it hurts you. That is why at Frequency 10D, we don't use superficial solutions. We apply the Ultra 10D methodology, a 10-layer intervention using our Neuro-Frequency Technology. We enter the subconscious state, where the logical mind cannot interfere, to dismantle the program, neutralize the emotion, and calibrate the frequency simultaneously, forcing an immediate biological response. It is time to erase the error code and reclaim your factory settings. You are no longer a victim of your genetics. You are the programmer of your destiny. Click the link in the description, choose your starter protocol, and reclaim your biological sovereignty. Welcome to the Command Center. Welcome to Quantum Harmony.